Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the GOQii Smart Vital fitness band. You will notice a photo of Akshay Kumar on top. He's the brand ambassador for this particular product. This particular fitness band comes with a heart rate monitor, an SpO2 monitor, and also it can measure body temperatures. Over here we have some similar information, like it can detect sleep patterns. There is a 24/7 heart rate monitor, and there's also multiple exercise modes, and it also counts as steps, obviously. What do we have here? Display, 1.3-inch color display with full touch screen. Track all the activity, steps, distance, calories burned, active time, auto sleep tracking, measure temperature, 24/7 heart monitoring, multiple exercise mode as mentioned earlier. Other features: multiple wallpaper, find my phone, stopwatch, timer, raise to wake, alarms and activity alerts. Charger, there's a 2-pin magnetic charger in this box, and this particular fitness band has a battery life of 7 days. So now let's open this box and take a look at the fitness band itself. So here we are. These are all the components of the box. Let's take a look at each one of them. First up, we have a user manual. There you can see this is a user manual for the GOQii Smart Vital fitness band. You should read it at least once. It will tell you how to set up this particular watch. Next up, we have activation code. This is for the GOQii Life Plan, and this is a thank you note from GOQii. So I'm going to keep them over here as well. This is the 2-pin magnetic charging dock. These are the 2 pins in question, and these 2 pins connect to the 2 sensors at the back of the smartwatch right over here, as you can see. And the other end, we have a USB-A port. There are 3 pairs of silicon bands that comes with this particular box. This is a great addition. There are 3 particular colors to choose from. There's a black, there's a violet, and a red one. So you can pick whatever you want. This you're basically spoiled for choice right now for this particular, for this particular band, this particular fitness band. And this is the GOQii Smart Vital fitness band. This is the 1.3-inch full touch color display. Over here it's written designed by GOQii Smart Vital, and these are your heart rate sensor and SpO2 monitoring sensors right over here. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the GOQii Smart Vital fitness band. Thank you for watching.